Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to make money with Bitcoin. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. Many people want to know how they can use Bitcoin to make money. There are a lot of ways to do it, but not everyone can make it work. So we decided to tell you about the most popular ways to make money with Bitcoin and how Coinbase can help you. 1. Buy and hold on to it. Buy low, sell high is the mantra of a good Bitcoin trader. One of the easiest ways to make money in this field is to buy Bitcoin and keep it for a while, then sell it when the price goes up. If you want to buy or sell Bitcoin, Coinbase will give you the best options and prices. And if you want to hold on to it for a long time, you can use the safe wallet. 2. Buy and sell Bitcoin. If you don't have the patience to wait, you might want to try trading, which is another popular way to sell your Bitcoin. 3. Affiliate program for Bitcoin. You can promote a wide range of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency related products and get paid a commission for each sale or lead. There are many affiliate referral programs for Bitcoin that can be a great way to make money. Most crypto exchanges and brokers will pay you a fee for every new member you bring in and every transaction they make. There are also different kinds of Bitcoin software, wallets, casinos, banks, and affiliate programs that pay you for just sending people to them through the link they give you. 4. Other jobs with Bitcoin. The rest of the crypto jobs aren't as big as the first two, but they still can be used. There are many ways to make money with Bitcoin. Some of them are writing about Bitcoin, viewing videos on YouTube, and making ads about Bitcoin. For programmers, there are a lot of ways to make money by making blockchain-based programs and getting paid in Bitcoin. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. And don't forget to like this video. Leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in my next video.